Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we're going to do some more welding. Stay tuned. Alright, let's get straight into this. We need to weld from the wastegate that we did last episode up to this up pipe here. Let's get the TD05 back on so we know where we need to send the pipe up to. Okay, so we need to get the TD05 back on. Let's see how we go with this new stud here. Alright guys, so it is Wednesday now, and the V-band clamp came in. It's a quick release, so that should make it a bit easier. I've never used one before. So we've got the piping there, and we'll get started on this Wastegate's up pipe to the GT35. So yeah. Alright guys, so I got the V-band for this wastegate up pipe. So we are still waiting on the 90-degree bends, but that's okay. We should be able to get started and at least go up to the first V-band, which should sit about here. Also, just like I've put a stud into this up pipe, I'll put a couple of studs in the back of the turbo just to make things a bit easier. I'm trying to line everything up. Alright guys, about to cut this 2-inch up, so I'm going to cut this little pie cut off, and I'm going to cut here as well. So I've got that little bend. Alright boys, about to weld up this V-band onto the, what do you call that, 30 degrees, 2-inch. Alright, that is welded and really freaking hot. I actually need to find the clamp for that V-band. I think it might be over where all my hoses are. It's not over there. It's over here. Found it. That was pretty easy. Yeah, wait for that to cool down. And, probably shove some 1.5-inch pipe up, see how it goes to up to that location. Alright guys, just to let you know what the plan is. I want to actually get this to Secure a Picnic at the start of May, so about 6 weeks away. So hopefully we can get it done, at least road tuned, so we can get it over to Bundoora and show it off to JDM guys. So yeah, 6 weeks to get this done and running reasonably well. Damn, that's gonna look good. Look at that. But just finishes there. I need to cut those pie cuts off. I'm gonna send it through just a little bit more before it kinks up. Probably like 2 inches. We can get the angle going up a bit. I think that might be done. Done for tonight. It's about 11:30 now, so yep, back tomorrow.
Tomorrow for sure.
Alright guys, it's a Friday night now, and we've got our 90-degree bends in, so we should be able to get this wastegate piping done. Unfortunately, I don't think I'll get it done tonight, so over the weekend. So Monday's episode, you will see wastegate all done and it all back together. I promise. Because we've got everything that we need now, so we should be able to do it. Plus, it's getting late. I need to edit this video, and I need to make some noise, and the neighbours probably won't like that. So most likely, next episode we'll get all that wastegate stuff done, and we'll even, hopefully, fingers crossed, get the dump pipe done with the cat in there as well. So haven't got much planned this weekend except for hopefully working on the car. So yeah, I've got 5 weeks until Secure a Picnic, and I really want to get the Foz there, show you guys, and to take it for a good drive too. Yeah, be pretty cool. Sorry guys, but I think I'm just going to cut this one short. I haven't had the most energy this week, being unwell at the start of the week, and my son has been struggling to get to sleep, so I didn't get out of here last night, and it's already about 9 o'clock now, and yeah, I just need to get this edited and out to you guys. I don't want it to seem like it's a filler episode, but yeah, I'm just collecting more parts to get in there. Next episode, guys. Next episode. Alright, guys. Make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell. So next episode, you will see this all back together and running. I'm going to finish this episode here. If you enjoyed this episode, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet, please consider hitting that subscribe button. And I'll catch you next episode. Bye.